Hello friends, welcome to the TestNG series. In this video, we are going to learn a meta groups in a grouping concept. A meta group is nothing but a groups can also include an other group. If a group is included with some other groups inside, that group is called a meta group. We use a define tag to create a meta group in TestNG XML. And see, this is our class. We have three test cases created. One is part of a smoke, the other one is part of a sanity, and the third one is part of a regression. Let's say this is a group sanity and this is a group smoke. If you can group these two cases, or if you can group any other groups, if I can group this sanity and a regression, that group is called a meta group. How can we create a meta group in TestNG XML? Let's create and see. Now I am going to create a group here, groups. Since we are going to create a meta group using a define. We need to name this meta group, like let's say functional test. This is my functional test meta group. Inside this meta group, I am going to include my smoke, and I'm going to include sanity. Let me format this. Okay, I have a group. Inside the group, I define to create a meta group, that is a functional test. And now I'm going to create another group, that is another meta group, define this is going to be a system test. This is my system test. In this meta group, I'm going to call this group and additionally the regression. How you can include, you can use the functional test. And one more group I'm going to include under this meta group, that is a regression. See, this is one meta group and this is another meta group. Here I included two groups into a functional test, that is a smoke and sanity. But if you look at the system test, instead of calling the include smoke and include sanity, I directly call this functional test. So I can group the multiple groups. Okay, this is functional test and a regression. Now let's run this. To run, you need to add a run attribute. Run. This should be inside the groups. Include a functional. If you want to run only functional test, okay, let me copy paste to avoid any typo errors. And see, though I define a multiple meta groups here, I'm calling a functional test. I'm just including a functional test under the run tag. Let's see, this is going to run only the functional test meta group, which is includes a smoke and a sanity. See, only two test cases are executed and they are test 1 and test 2. See, since you group the smoke and sanity to a functional test, a meta group, so these two are executed. Now, instead of a functional test, if you run a system test, System test includes a functional test and a regression, but this functional test is including a smoke and sanity. This system test is going to execute by including a smoke, a sanity and regression, and this run we are going to see the number of cases execution would be 3. All tests will execute. Let's run this. And see, there are 3 cases are executed. If you look at the result, test 1, test 2 and test 3, all the tests are executed from this specific class, because this marked smoke and sanity, they both are a part of the functional test meta group, and all 3 together is the system test meta group. So all are executed in this run. Hope you understand the concept of the meta groups in grouping concept from the TestNG library. And if you have any questions, please feel free to comment on the comment section. Thanks for watching this. Thank you.